Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to double space in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open a document. Now select the text or paragraph you want to double space. Now click Format from the top menu and then go to Line and Paragraph Spacing. From the menu, select Double. Your selected text will now have double spacing between each line. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.